Hello lovelies! Now, I am back with another vlog. It's gonna be kind of a combined weekly vlog, mainly because this week I have quite a couple of amazing events which I'm really excited about, but knowing me, I get too involved in them and don't film enough footage to put it all in like one vlog, and I think at the moment I also have way too many vlogs on my channel. But last night I didn't get a chance to talk to you before I went to the event, but I was invited to Scouse Bird's shop launch, which was super exciting. And her shop and office is incredible. Like, her office is Instagram and blogger goals. Seriously, it's all like white brick, white millennium pink peonies and rose gold delight. Like, what else do you need? But she did also, I picked up a couple of bits, and she did also give us an incredible goodie bag. So later on when I get home, I'm going to go through them all because I have clearly no makeup on, because I'm going out with my brother to try and get a pumpkin spice latte because I've heard they're back and my nearest Starbucks is in New Brighton. So I'm going to go with my little brother and we're going to try and get some pumpkin spice lattes and some lunch, and then I'm going to come back and get my face ready, show you what's in my goodie bag, and I want to try and get a couple of videos filmed today and some photos taken because I have some exciting things from Pixie. I'm looking at the stack of boxes over there. I have some exciting things from Pixie. I have an exciting Tilly box from QVC that I want to unbox with you guys. I have the new L'Oreal and Balmain lipsticks that I'm going to do a first impressions and unboxing video with you guys. And then I need to take pictures of the new Ren serum which I was sent, which looks incredible, and the bottle's just perfect, and I've been using it the past couple of days and I really like it. It's perfect for under makeup. So I need to get going. I'm so tired. I've been on 7 nights or 6 nights straight and I'm so tired. I've been on 6 nights straight and I'm just exhausted, and I need to remember to pay my NMC membership because it's due on the 15th, and if I don't pay that I can't go to work. So I need to remember to do that in the next day or two. So yeah, let's go into Starbucks. Hello lovelies. So I didn't speak to you, I don't think I spoke to you anyway this morning before I left, but today has been a super exciting day. I ended up going to 3 kind of events slash lunches. So I will have put some footage in with obviously music over probably either before or after this clip, but I was kindly invited to the Superdrug store in L1 because they've launched their new counter for Makeup Revolution. So right as you go in the door, on the right hand side, there is an entire counter of products, and it's not just one stand, so you're not squished up onto one stand with everyone trying to get all the goodies. So you are actually able to have a good swatch and play with the products and then decide if you want one. So they kindly invited me down, and they also gave me a little goodie bag. And then I went with Sam, of course. Who else do I go to events with? So we went there, and then we decided to go and take a look at the new Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, which is just launched today in Harvey Nicks. And I did pick up an item there to test out because she put it on me today. It's like a highlighter, and she did pop it on my cheeks. And I must say, if you're going to get any of the products in Harvey Nicks, swatch them first and then go outside and kind of look what they look like in the daylight, because honestly when she put it on me inside, I couldn't really tell that much a difference. Even with like the trophy wife highlighter on, I couldn't really tell that much a difference. And then looking in the mirror now in my car, I can really like see the sheen that it gives, because I'm not a massive glitter bomb highlighter person. I like just the sheen, and it really does give that. So I picked up one of the highlighters, and you can apparently use it on your eyes as well as eyeshadow, or like a dusting on your arms or your legs for like a bit of shimmer. So I'm excited to try that out, and I might write a blog post about it as well, or feature it in a video or something. And then the lovely girls at the Body Shop, Sarah and Sophie, as always, are absolutely gorgeous, and invited me and Sam down to basically see their new vegan event. So if you didn't know, the Body Shop, as of yesterday, which is as of the 7th of September, the Body Shop actually went completely well, not completely vegan, but it's completely vegetarian, vegan and cruelty free. So they're not a part of the L'Oreal brand anymore, which I believe do test on animals. And the Body Shop, obviously, as you know, are all about cruelty free and banning animal testing. So they have gone on their own as an independent company. I mean, they're massive enough, they don't need to be under L'Oreal. So today, to celebrate that little event, they hosted an event to basically show off their amazing vegan products. And I think she said it was 40% of the store and 40% of the products you get are 100% vegan. Some of them are, because one of the girls, Sophie, was saying some people who are vegan will have things with honey in it, and some people who are vegan will not have anything with honey in it. So she said obviously if you are vegan and you do use honey, or you whatever do like honey, there are even more products that you can use as well. So I picked up quite a few bits. They were also having 30% off, so that spurred me on. And then you got a free gift over £30, and I really love that about the Body Shop, is you go in and you can easily spend £30 in the Body Shop, let's be real. Like, I bought one of the Spa of the World body creams, which was I think 25, and I bought one of the perfumes which was like 25, so it's easy to spend £30. And I think if you spend 25, you got this set with like a bath luther, a body wash and a body lotion, I think it was. And then if you spent over £30, you got one that had a perfume in it as well. I will show you obviously all the things I got when I get home. I have someone ringing me right now, my mum, so I need to go.